Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So Canva has launched this all-in-one design platform that takes your creativity to the next level. Today I'm going to show you how to use 5 best AI feature of the Magic Studio. Before we jump right in, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. To access the new AI feature, head over to the left and click on Magic Studio. Feature number 1 is Magic Design. Click here and click on Try Magic Design. With this new feature, you no longer need to create a design manually. Just ask the AI to create whatever you are looking for. Describe what you want to create in few words and the AI will generate templates based on that. So let's say I want a poster for my music event. Alright, so I've written live music event poster and it has generated even a few prompts. Minimalist cafe poster for a live music event. So you can use these templates. Just click on see all. Alright, so the AI has designed a few options for us. So choose the best one you like and then just click on it. In order to customize the design, just click here and you will get to the editing page. So let's say I want to replace this picture with my own. Just click on it and then delete it. And then drag and drop in your picture. Adjust the size. You can also adjust the text. Just click on it and do all the necessary edits. So once you're satisfied with the picture, just click on share and then download it to your computer. The second feature is Magic Design for presentations. Just click on it and then try Magic Design. With this new feature, you can make presentations in just seconds. Describe your presentation in few words and then click on Instant Presentations. Select the best one you like and there you go. Our presentation is ready in just few seconds. So all the text and pictures, everything is done by the new AI. So similarly, everything you see here is customizable, so you can do all the necessary edits. So once you're satisfied with the results, just click on share and then download it to your computer. Feature number 3 is Magic Design for video. Just click on it. So here we need to select at least 3 or more files in order to start creating the video. Let's just do that. Once you have selected all the clips, type in your prompt and then click on generate. And there you go. Our video is ready. So the AI has combined all the media, added the text, even added the music. Let's click on play and watch it. Alright, that's so cool. So once you're satisfied with the video, just click on share and then click on download to save it to your computer. Up next we have the Canva text to images. Just click on it and then click on try it now. Here you need to type in your prompt or you can check out some of the examples. Alright, so let's just go with this. Select the style you want and then select the aspect ratio. I'll go with square image and then click on create your image. Alright, so the AI has generated few images for you. Choose the best one you like. Alright, so the last feature I'm going to show you today is Magic Edits. Just drag and drop in your picture and then click on Edit Photo. Select the Magic Edit AI. With this tool, you have to select the area and you can add or replace anything you want. For example, let's say I want to replace the apple. So let's just select it with the brush. You can increase the brush size if you want. Alright, so once you are done selecting the area, click on continue. Describe what you want or change in the picture. I'll just say add a burger and then click on generate. And there you go. The AI has replaced the apple with a burger. So everything is done in few seconds with the help of AI. Select the best picture you like and then click on done. Alright, so that's about it for today. So these were the 5 free AI features in the new Canva Magic Studio. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.